Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to use Google Forms. So usually Google Forms are like a form of document that you can use to maybe set up questions, then share to maybe a given number of people depending. So when we come here, we can either type in Google Forms or we can still go on this taskbar and then we look for Google Forms. So I'll do it this way. Shall type in Google Forms. Google Forms. Yes, so when I enter it like this, I go ahead and sign in. Once I sign in, I'll use a blank form. So when we get on the blank form, they give us a description here. So the description here can maybe, let's say we're looking at the gender or maybe a particular population. When I go ahead and write the agenda, I can go ahead and make a little changes, like I can choose to bold, I can choose to apply italics, I can choose to underline, just depending on what I would like to have for my text. Then I can go ahead and on the next slide here, they are putting for us the untitled question, so shall title. So maybe we are asking that what is the gender? What is the gender? So here I can choose to say we are going to do it as multiple choice. Then there, so here I can choose to type in option 1 as male, then option 2 as female, option 2 as female, yes. When I am done, then we can get to another option. Then you type in depending on the questions and the queries. Then here when you click here like this, you have options. Sorry, let's cancel this. So we have options that give us either whether you need multiple choice, paragraph, or short answers, or you can upload your file that already has what you need, the ratings, the dates. Then now when you're done formulating your form, we have two options of sharing. You can either just publish, or you can choose to share right from here. So when you choose to share from there, here we can add email accounts to the people who can access the information you need. Then we click done. So it will be shared to the people that you intended to share the document with. Alternatively, we can just publish right from here. So there to publish, it will be able to get to the people that we need it to be published to. So that is it basically about Google Forms. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.